Unit 1 measurement lesson oda book back exercise paakalam. Turn to the page 9. First Roman letter, choose the best answer. First one, which one of the following systems of unit is the British system of unit? Answer is C option, FPS. Second one, electric current is a dash quantity. A option, base quantity. Third one, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. C option is the right answer. Fourth one, luminous intensity is the intensity of visible light. C option is the answer, visible light. Fifth one, closeness of two or more measured values is called as precision. B option is the right answer. Sixth one, which one of the following statement is wrong? A option, approximation gives accurate value. A option is the right answer. Then moving to Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the solid angle is measured in steradian. Second, the coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by temperature. Answer is temperature. Third one, dash is used to measure electric current. Answer is ammeter. Fourth one, 1 mole of a substance contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms or molecules. Uncertainty in measurement is called as error. Answer is error. Sixth one, the closeness of the measured value to the original value is accuracy. Answer is accuracy. 7. The intersection of two straight lines gives us plane angle. Answer is plane angle. Moving to Roman number 3, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, temperature is a measure of total kinetic energy of the particles in a system. The answer is false. It is not a total kinetic energy, it's average kinetic energy. The correct statement is average kinetic energy. Second, if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 minute, it is called ampere. Answer is false, because if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 second, not a minute, 1 second is the answer. That is called ampere. Then third one, amount of substance gives the number of particles present in a substance. Answer is true. Fourth one, intensity of light coming from a candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. Answer is true. Fifth one, quartz clocks are used in GPS devices. Answer is false. The correct statement is atomic clocks are used in GPS devices. Okay. Then page number 10. Moving to sixth question. Angle formed at the top of a cone is an example for plane angle. The answer is false. That is solid angle. Angle formed at the top of a cone is an example for solid angle. The answer is false. You are having in this page itself angle. See? Angle formed at the vertex of the cone, that is solid angle. So answer is false. Seventh one, the number 4.582 can be rounded off as 4.58. Answer true. Moving to Roman number 4, match the following. Temperature, measure of hotness or coldness, plane angle, angle formed by the intersection of two planes, solid angle, angle formed by the intersection of 3 or more planes, accuracy, closeness to the actual value, precision, closeness to 2 or more measurements, that is precision. Moving to Roman number 5, consider the statements given below and choose the correct option. Assertion, first one, the SI system of units is the suitable system for measurements. Reason, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So both the assertion are true. So answer is B option. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. B option is the right answer for the first question. Second one, assertion, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity are the fundamental physical quantities. So assertion correct, reason correct. So answer is A option. Both assertion and reason, they are independent of each other. Okay. So both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. For second one, A option is the right answer. Third one, radian is the unit of solid angle. So இங்கே தப்பா இருக்கு பாருங்க. Solid angle ஓட unit என்ன? steradian. So assertion wrong. Reason, on radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length equal to its radius. So reason also wrong. The answer is D option. Both assertion and reason are false. D option is the right answer for third question. Roman number 6, answer very briefly. First one, how many base quantities are included in SI system? 7. Answer is 7. Second one, give the name of the instrument used for the measurement of temperature. Answer is thermometer. Third one, what is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Candela, CD. Fourth one, what type of oscillations are used in atomic clocks? Periodic vibrations. Answer is periodic vibrations. Fifth one, mention the types of clocks based on their display. Answer is analog and digital clock. Sixth one, how many times will the minute hand rotate in 1 hour? Answer is 60 times. Seventh, how many hours are there in a minute? Hours கேக்குறாங்க. So 1 by 60 hours equal to 0.0167 hours. Roman number 7, answer briefly. First one, what is measurement? Page number 9. What is measurement? See, page number first la irukku paranga measurement kaana answer. Sorry, what is 7th Roman letter first one? Page number 1, 7th Roman letter first one. It is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Up to that. Second paragraph la third line la irundhu fifth line la standard quantity vedikum. 7th Roman letter first one answer. Page number 1. Second one, name the 3 scales of temperature. Page number 3. Turn to the page 3. 3 scales of temperature. Here above this box, Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin are the most commonly used scales to measure temperature. 7th Roman letter, second one answer. Third one, define ampere. Page number 3. Ampere. See, the define ampere கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா? If 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through a conductor, அதிலிருந்து start பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 7th Roman letter, third one answer. Up to right side la of current flowing is said to be 1 ampere. 7th Roman letter, third one answer. Fourth one, what is electric current? Page number 3. See, under this topic electric current கீழ the magnitude அதிலிருந்து start பண்ணிக்கோங்க in 1 second. 7th Roman letter, fourth one answer. Electric current. Fifth one, what do you mean by luminous intensity? Page number 4. Luminous intensity. See, and the picture kida fourth line la, the measure of the power of emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as luminous intensity. 7th Roman letter, fifth one answer. Sixth one, define mole. Page number 4. See, under this drawing, copper coins key irukku paranga 3 lines. Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. It is denoted as mole, M-O-L-E. 7th Roman letter, sixth one. Seventh, what are the differences between plane angle and solid angle? Page number 5. See, the box, difference between plane angle and solid angle irukku இல்லையா? 7th Roman letter, 7th one answer. Moving to Roman number 8, answer in detail. First one, list out the base quantities with their units. Page number 2. See, they have given this box. You have to write like this: quantity, unit, symbol. 8th Roman letter, first one, detail, first one answer. Second one, write a short note on different types of clocks. Page number 5. Different types of clocks based on display: analog and digital clock. Then analog clock, turn the page, hours, minutes, hand. Then digital clock, okay, based on working mechanism: quartz clock, atomic clock. Quartz clock, atomic clock. So in this you may write up to this quartz crystal, அது வரைக்கும் எழுதுனா போதும். Then atomic clock வந்து these clocks periodic vibrationsலேருந்து in every 10 power 13 seconds வரைக்கும் எழுதுனா போதும். just make it short. 8th Roman letter second one. So in the lesson over.